This is a place where we can actually show the whole world what we think about young children in Chicago. We're a place that cares deeply about how people think and feel and how they work together and how collaboration works, and so we knew that MB would be a great collaborator with us. We're really delighted that they're part of the team that is bringing Chicago Children's Museum to over 400,000 families a year. We always like to say it takes a year of a lot of adults working really hard to develop an exhibit that a child can walk into and in an instant know exactly what it's there for. I think competition is sort of an idea that is opposite of what somebody who is in child development believes, and that means that we want to make sure that our field is thriving. Collaboration, having a really strong cultural landscape that cares about kids, cares about accessibility, and make sure that families have ways to visit is really important to us. We employ a hugely diverse group of expert staff. We want people who can connect with childhood. We want people who connect with the mission. So you had better be kind of a perfectionist, you'd better be able to write well, you'd better be able to communicate the value of your work. And we find that being connected to the mission is part of what propels people forward in that work, is really getting intrinsically what we're trying to accomplish here. And that families know that children's museums are great places to spend time, to play, to get your kids excited about learning. Almost without exception, we develop all of our creative content in-house, whether that's new exhibits, that's programming, that's our amazing social media content. We really are creative people who can execute, and I'm amazingly proud of that. We are really lucky to have extraordinary board leadership who can advise us on all sorts of issues related to child development and engaging families in our community. So without that level of thought leadership, idea leadership, and strong governance, we would not be the strong organization that we are today. Chicago Children's Museum is currently undergoing the biggest renovation that we have experienced in the last 23 years. We are going to see a brand new, huge 2,000 square foot art studio for families to interact with the arts and other disciplines. We would not be moving forward with this renovation without the support of MB, and to be able to make that vision a reality right now is really, really exciting.